Amazon Elastic File System, Amazon EFS, is a scalable, fully managed, and cloud-native file storage service provided by Amazon Web Services. It is designed to provide shared file storage across multiple Amazon EC2 instances and supports the Network File System version 4, NFS v4, protocol. 1. Scalability. Amazon EFS is built to automatically scale as your storage needs grow. You don't need to provision or manage capacity, and the file system can grow and shrink automatically to accommodate data without disrupting your applications. Petabyte scale. EFS can handle massive amounts of data, scaling to petabytes, making it suitable for a wide range of applications and workloads. No provisioning required. Unlike traditional storage solutions, EFS eliminates the need for upfront capacity planning or provisioning. You can start with the storage you need and scale up or down as required, paying only for the storage you use. 2. Shared file system. Multi-instance access. EFS allows multiple Amazon EC2 instances to access the same file system concurrently, providing shared storage across instances within the same AWS region and VPC. This feature facilitates collaboration and data sharing among instances, simplifying the deployment of distributed applications. POSIX file system semantics. EFS adheres to POSIX compliant file system semantics, ensuring that common file operations and access patterns work seamlessly with existing applications and tools that rely on standard file system interfaces. Easier collaboration. With a shared file system, you can centralize data and ensure consistency across multiple compute instances, simplifying data sharing and synchronization. 3. Fully managed. No infrastructure management. AWS handles all the underlying infrastructure, including hardware provisioning, software updates, and backups. This reduces administrative overhead and allows you to focus on using the storage for your applications. High availability. Amazon EFS is built with redundant architecture, ensuring high availability even during hardware failures. EFS is designed to provide high availability by replicating data across multiple availability zones within a region. This ensures that your data remains accessible even in the event of an availability zone's failure. Data is automatically replicated across multiple availability zones within a region. Automatic maintenance. AWS takes care of all operational tasks, including hardware provisioning, software updates, and backups, allowing you to focus on using the storage for your applications. 4. Performance. Amazon EFS is designed for high availability and durability, providing consistent, low-latency performance, even with highly parallel workloads. Low-latency access. EFS provides low-latency access to data, making it suitable for applications that require quick response times and high-performance file operations. Consistent performance. The performance of EFS scales automatically with the amount of data stored, ensuring that the file system maintains a consistent level of performance even as your data grows. Scalable performance. The performance of EFS scales automatically with the amount of data stored in the file system. As the data grows, EFS maintains consistent performance levels to handle various workloads effectively. 2. Performance mode. General purpose. Suitable for most workloads, the general purpose performance mode balances latency and throughput to handle a wide range of use cases effectively. Max I/O. Optimized for high-throughput applications, the Max I/O mode provides increased parallelism and higher data transfer rates. 5. Multi-use availability. EFS file systems can be configured to span multiple availability zones, AZs, within a region. This ensures high availability and fault tolerance, as data is replicated across AZs automatically. 6. Data lifecycle management. Intelligent data movement. EFS supports lifecycle management policies that allow you to automatically move files to lower-cost storage classes after a certain period of inactivity. You can set up rules to transition data to Amazon S3, optimizing storage costs while keeping data accessible when needed. 7. Integration with AWS services. 1. Seamless integration. EFS integrates well with other AWS services, such as Amazon EC2, AWS Lambda, Amazon ECS, AWS Batch, and more. This makes it easy to use EFS as shared storage for different types of applications, regardless of the workload. 8. Security. Encryption. EFS supports encryption at rest using AWS Key Management Service, KMS, keys, providing an additional layer of security for your data. This ensures that your data remains encrypted and protected even when stored in the EFS file system. Access control. EFS integrates with AWS Identity and Access Management, IAM, allowing you to manage access to your file systems and grant specific permissions to users, groups, or roles. 9. Pay as you go. With Amazon EFS, you only pay for the storage you use, and there are no upfront costs or minimum fees. This makes it cost-effective, especially for workloads with unpredictable or fluctuating storage requirements. 10. Compatibility. Since EFS uses the standard NFS v4 protocol, it is compatible with many existing applications and tools that rely on NFS for file access. 11. Cost-effective. Pay-as-you-go pricing. With Amazon EFS, you only pay for the storage and data transfer you use, without any upfront costs or minimum commitments. This makes it cost-effective for workloads with fluctuating storage needs. 12. Monitoring and reporting. CloudWatch metrics. EFS provides CloudWatch metrics that allow you to monitor the performance and health of your file systems. These metrics help you gain insights into your file system's behavior and performance. Overall, Amazon EFS is a powerful and versatile file storage solution in the AWS ecosystem, suitable for a wide range of applications, including content management systems, media processing workflows, big data analytics, and web serving, among others. Its ease of use, scalability, and high availability make it an attractive choice for businesses of all sizes. Thank you.